everyone, welcome back. And today we're trying to finalize the CHP stuff on the Silverado. I got the seat cover today. I had to go pick it up at FedEx because I don't want to wait for them to deliver it, so I just called them and told them that I'll pick it up to hold it at location. So now I'm gonna change the seat cover. This one has the invoice because that's CHP, they need the invoice and all the info, blah blah blah. So we'll do that, and then I will swap the wheels to my other black ones because I don't want to have any problems with CHP with the tires sticking out too much or tires being too tall or whatever. So let's do the seat cover and then we'll do the wheels and tires, and then I have a CHP appointment and we'll go over there and hopefully everything checks out and they'll finally sign off the truck and I can go and take all the paperwork to DMV. It's been slightly of a headache. It's been a while since I was at CHP, so and plus they changed a few rules. They got more strict with things, so it's been a while for me. So now that I know that they're really strict on my next vehicle, I'll be more organized, so I'll have everything for next time. But it's one of those things that you need to know if you live in this amazing California state of regulations. So let's get this done and finish up all the CHP mumbo jumbo. Alrighty, let's go. All right, guys, it's all done. It's back to looking retarded. Maybe I should just remove the rear blocks and have the squatted look that all the young kids are admiring these days. So anyways, seat cover is on. Other wheels are on. See what I was talking about? The front wheels are still sticking out. So I'm hoping CHP is not gonna say anything silly about that, but I do have my fender flares that I picked up, the ones that I did not put on yet. So maybe if I have time tomorrow, I'll put them on temporary, and just so I can just so I don't have any problems with CHP. And also, once I'm ready to put the 35s back on, I have the spacers for the rear. These are 1.5 inch spacers, so I'll be installing those on the back as well. So the front and rear tires are sticking out the same, because otherwise it looks funky with the front sticking out and then the rear are flush. So guys, wish me luck tomorrow. Hopefully this will be the last time I'm going to CHP with this truck. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell, whatever. Comment below, questions, comments, let me know. And we'll see you guys on the next one. See ya.